Get rid of blank pages that you don't want in your Google Doc. Removing a page break. Open your document in Google Docs. Move your cursor in front of the first word on the new page after a blank page. Press Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. This will delete the text and blank space to get rid of the page break in your document. Pressing Delete. Highlight the text or blank space on the page you don't want. Move your cursor to the first word or blank spot on the page and click and drag your mouse down to select everything on the page. Press Delete or Backspace key on your keyboard. This will delete the text and blank space and get rid of the page in your doc. Shrinking margins. Click File. Click Page Setup. Clicking it will open a new window in the middle of your screen. Shrink your margins. Most pages are added to the ends of documents because the program has too large of a margin at the bottom of the page that it's trying to accommodate. In that case, make the default 1-inch margin smaller. Click OK to confirm your changes. Using custom line spacing. Open your document in Google Docs. Click Format. Hover your mouse over line and paragraph spacing and click Custom Spacing. Enter your line and paragraph spacing. To get rid of unnecessary spaces, you want to have 0 entered for both before and after boxes under paragraph spacing. The best and most common line spacing is 1.15. Click Apply. This will save any changes and apply this setting to your document. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.